The Mutha Group of Companies, which has been continuously providing services for over 3 decades, was founded by visionary Mr. Shantilal Mutha. Mr. Mutha, who initiated major affordable housing projects in Pune in the 1980s, has set new standards of never-flinching commitments in business dealings and has significantly contributed towards the developers' fraternity. Moreover, Mr. Mutha is also one of the founders of PBAB, which became the foundation of CREDAI, a successful builder by profession and a fervent social worker by passion. Mr. Mutha conceived a unique concept of group marriages in the 1980s to eradicate the evil of dowry from the society. He successfully organized numerous group marriages in the country, making it a nationwide movement. BJS, which was established in 1985. Today, BJS has a committed workforce of 500 employees on its payroll and 1,700 office bearers, all sharing a common goal of nation building through holistic development of the society. Mr. Mutha is also credited for the stupendous services he provided towards disaster response management and disaster rehabilitation. In 1993, following the dreadful Latur earthquake, Mr. Mutha brought 1,200 children to Pune for their educational rehabilitation till graduation. In 2001, after the Gujarat earthquake, he constructed 368 schools in just 90 days and handed them over to the Gujarat government. In 2005, when tsunami struck the Andaman Nicobar Islands, Mr. Mutha constructed 20 school buildings and 34 hospital buildings in just a year's time. Remarkably, Mr. Mutha has also provided shelters to 15,000 earthquake-affected people in Jammu and Kashmir. He designed and developed a basket of programs and implemented the same in more than 4,000 government schools in 4 states. He accentuates the significance of moral and value education. Consequently, Mr. Mutha has designed and developed a unique syllabus called Mulya Vardhan. He intends to improve the effectiveness of both his programs and prepare them to be replicated and utilized by the 1.3 million government schools across the country. In 2005, the remarkable services provided by Mr. Mutha to education secured his organization the award of Best NGO in the World by the World Association of NGOs. Mr. Mutha's motto is, "If the conscience is clear, the means will follow."